What's going on, guys? So if you missed the last two videos, I think it was, we're getting some things done to the bike and my wife's Jeep. Doing the same thing again today. We got the final mod for the bike, which actually that's going to be the next video, so I don't know why I'm telling you that. And some more Lasfit lights for the Jeep. There's actually two more of these because the Jeep takes 4 of those for the reverse lights, and well, that's what we're going to do today because they're not LEDs and they need to be none other than Lasfit because they're the best ones out there. So anyways, you guys are probably, by the time you see this, it's actually like 2 or 3 weeks after I did this work because I scheduled videos ahead of time. So you guys are way behind. I'm ahead for the first time ever. You're gonna need the interior toolkit thing. I'm not even exactly sure what it's called. They're basically just plastic pry tools for interiors. You're gonna need that, and you're gonna need a Torx bit. I don't know what size it is, so I'm just taking all these out, and that's it. That's literally it. So now we'll go out to the Jeep. Alright, so before we start, I'll show you there's one in there and one in here. So one's actually in the trunk piece and one's in the side. Same with the other side over there. What are you doing, Diesel? Diesel, what are you doing? Anyways, so I'll pop the trunk and we'll get it going. For the first thing, we're gonna use this the split one. You could probably use any of them, but I'm gonna use this one. And to get to those, I don't have to sit in the trunk, but I'm going to. So anyways, it's right here. Start prying on this side first and just pop out and then work your way around it. So I'll do that now, and yeah, literally just get up under it, pop it out. It's pretty easy, as everything is with this Jeep, just like that. And then you got this white here, you just pull that off to the side, turn it. It's hard for holding the camera here, but anyway, turn it and pull it out, and there's your bulb. Pull that out, throw it down. Not really throw it down, but you can if you want to. And then I gotta open this package, so hold up. Alright, so the Lasfit lights are non-polarity, and they won't throw a code saying that the plate or the bulb's out. And I don't know if I can put this back in with one hand. Probably not, because I'm not talented enough. Yeah, got it. Cool. So anyway, just put it back in there. Maybe. It's so hard to do with one hand. Alright, hold on a second. I can't do this with one hand. Alright, so I got her back in there. It was hard with one hand. Let me just pull this crap back over. Like so. And then we take this piece. And you see those two. They'll be the ones that go down in. Like so. And you just push it. Maybe like so. Done. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start it. I'm going to put it in reverse. Hopefully the e-brake will hold it, and I'll show you guys the difference between the two, and then on the same side, and then I'll switch the other one, show you how to do that, and then I'll show you the difference between the sides, you know, like I always do. As always, I suck at this, so I didn't get it before at night, but I will get it after at night, like I always do. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to do right now, and hopefully this e-brake will hold it, because I don't have anyone else at the house right now to push the brake. But anyways, sorry, the dog's barking and I was trying to see where she's at. But all right, so first things first, I gotta turn this radio down because, you know, my wife likes to blast her music. And let's see here, that's on. Let's see if we move. No, perfect. All right, So here's the factory crappy halogen and the Lasfit. Look at the difference there. I guess I'll show you the other side too. Crappy. So yeah, I'm gonna do this one now. Show you guys how to do that. Alright, so it's gonna be a T30 Torx. And I'm just using this setup again because I feel like it. Just 1, 2, take those out. And then you can pull the whole light housing towards you, like towards the back. I'll show you that in a sec. Alright, so once you have those out, you literally just pull it towards you. It's hard to do because, well, those pins right there are in there. So yeah, anyways, you just pull it straight out, and it's gonna be that top one, the silver one, not the big black one. So I can't really hold this and this at the same time, so bear with me, I'll be right back. And you guys should know this process by now. You just turn it, pull the bulb out, put the new one in, put it back in, and so on and so forth. So once you have the bulb back in, like I do, you just line those 2 pins up right there with those 2 holes. I know it's hard to see, but anyway, literally just set it back down in there. And you give it a little push and it'll go right in, like so. And then you can put your Torx bits back in. Bits, bolts, whatever. So yeah, it's literally that simple. I've been out here for like 5 minutes and I already have one side done. I love this thing, so easy to work on. I say that in every video, but anyway, let's see if it works. Alright, so here's factory halogens on the driver's side. I don't know if you guys can see with the sun glare, but they suck. And then here, maybe the Lasfit ones. It's hard to tell in the daytime, but I'm sure you guys can see the difference. Check that out. Definitely be able to tell at night that they're LEDs for sure, and definitely brighter. I just looked at them like an idiot. Alright, so I'm just going to hyperlapse the other side because you saw how to do it, so hyperlapse. Alright, so I didn't really have anywhere good enough to set you guys, so you're going to see it the same time as me this time. Throw it in reverse, pull the e-brake, hope it holds. It usually does. Let's go see. Alright, we got one that ain't working. I'll have to figure that out real quick. Of course, I put the tools away. I didn't test like I usually do, but the other ones work. So, alright, turns out the bulb was came loose when I was putting it in, but it's on. They all work. There's 2, there's 2, and I can't wait to see these at night. But yeah, so I guess I'll see you guys at nighttime, or you won't see me or whatever, but yeah. Alright, it's dark out. Well, basically dark out. Look how freaking bright these things are. Literally light up everything. Alright, that's going to do it for this upload. If you guys like the content and you want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Like it because that helps me, and leave a comment down below if you have Lasfit lights or you would like to get some. Speaking of which, if you want to get some, there's a link down below in the description and a discount code for you guys. I think it's 15% off, might be 10%, one of the two, I forget. Anyway, links down below. if you guys want to get some, they're definitely the brightest LEDs on the market, hands down, and I will buy them every time they have what I need. And yeah, anyway, that's it.